What up guys, Gadget Pinoy here, and ever had your iPhone get stuck on the Apple logo, same like this? Or maybe it's frozen in recovery mode and won't start no matter what you try. So these are some of the most frustrating issues Apple users face. So today I'm checking out TURE Reiboot. This is a repair tool designed for iPhone, iPad, and even some system-related Apple device issues. So it helps users enter or exit recovery mode and can fix many common iOS system problems without requiring complicated technical steps. So let's say your iPhone gets stuck like this in a recovery mode, and first download and install the Reiboot on your computer. Once you install it, connect your iPhone using a USB cable. So Reiboot automatically detects the device. From here, you select the repair options and follow on-screen instructions. The software downloads the required firmware package and begins the repair process. And after the repair is completed, the device reboots normally and exits recovery mode. So if you're dealing with an iPhone or iPad systems issues, you can check out TURE Reiboot using the link in the description below. Browse the available repair tools and choose the features that the best matches your device problem. I hope it helps you. You're gonna share this video, click the like buttons, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again to the next one. Peace out, everybody.